Imagine an aircraft so massive it could stay in the air for weeks, launch fighter jets mid flight, and serve as a flying fortress of destruction. Sounds like something out of science fiction, right? Well, Lockheed actually designed it, made the CL 1201 the most ambitious flying aircraft carrier ever conceived. During the height of Cold War, the US was constantly looking for ways to maintain aerial dominance. Traditional aircraft carriers were powerful but not limited by the oceans. Lockheed engineers proposed an audacious solution, a nuclear powered city sized aircraft capable of carrying its own fleet of jet fighters. The CL 1201 was designed to be a true flying warship. This beast of the skies would have a wingspan of 1120 feet longer than three football fields combined. Powered by a nuclear reactor, it could remain airborne for weeks at a time, refueling and resupplying its escort fighters midair. The concept included a payload capacity of nearly 5 lakh pounds and the ability to deploy up to 22 fighter jets from an internal hangar. The CL 1201 was designed to operate as a mobile command center, capable of launching strategic airstrikes, provide aerial refueling, and even deploying drones before they were a reality. Its high altitude, over 30,000 feet, would keep it out of reach of most enemy weapons at the time. It was envisioned as a game changer in global military operations. So, why did not this flying fortress ever take to the skies? The answer lies in cost, feasibility, and advancing military technology. The nuclear powered design posed serious engineering and safety challenges. The sheer size of aircraft made it vulnerable to new missile technologies, and the rise of satellite surveillance and advanced jet fighters rendered the concept less practical. Ultimately, Lockheed CL 1201 was just too ambitious for its time. Although the CL 1201 never materialized, its ideas live on concepts like airborne refueling, drone swarms, and high altitude surveillance of some inspiration to this insane design. Today, Lockheed Martin continues to push the boundaries of aviation, and stealth bombers, hypersonic aircraft, and next gen warships. What do you think? Could a flying aircraft carrier become a reality in the future? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind blowing military tech. In 1969, the US government founded one of the most ambitious and unconventional projects in aviation history. The initiative had two primary objectives. First, to determine the theoretical maximum size of an aircraft and to assess the strategic implications such as an aircraft could have on US air power. The project was led by Lockheed Secretive Skunk Works Division, known for its groundbreaking designs. The result was the Lockheed CL 1201, an aircraft so massive and advanced that even today, much about it remains shrouded in secrecy. The 1960s were a period of unprecedented advancement in aerospace technology. Aircraft were breaking speed, altitude, and range records, while engineering innovations were simultaneously pushing the boundaries of scale. The Lockheed C5 Galaxy, newly developed at the time, was a behemoth capable of carrying hundreds of tons, setting new standards for military airlift capability. Yet, some visionaries believed aircraft become even larger, advance in aerodynamics, the development of exotic new materials, and even forms of propulsion were on the horizon. The rapid pace of technological progress was largely driven by the Cold War, as the United States and the Soviet Union competed for military and strategic dominance. Enormous resources were allocated to developing reconnaissance aircraft that could fly higher and faster, as well as bombers capable of delivering larger payloads over greater distances. The ultimate goal was to reach any location on the globe swiftly and with overwhelming force. To counter Soviet expansion, the United States purchased a strategic of containment, relying on a vast network of carrier battles groups capable of rapid response to global crisis.